nature, my friends. Look, the lake's half frozen still. We got woods. I don't have my partner cry with me. He's playing, but it's all right. He's here in thought. Christmas. Merry Christmas to everyone. Merry Christmas. We're the only ones on the trail this morning. Sun is shining. I don't know, how warm would you say it is out here?
In the 40s? I don't know.
40s?
Nope.
Hey, babe, I don't think you can see your breath. A little bit. Can you see it?
Nope.
Oh, okay. Look how peaceful the lake is. It's not even really even moving. That's crazy, isn't it? Little parts of them are kind of frozen, but maybe we'll find a water snake. I don't know if they hibernate all year. Ooh, there's one. It's a great way to spend Christmas.